There is none like the God of Jeshurun. There is none like the God of Jeshurun, who rides upon the heavens, who rides upon the sky. The eternal God is my refuge. He shall uphold me with his everlasting arms. He shall destroy my enemies from before me. They shall be cast out. Oh, there is none. There is none like the God of Jeshurun. There is none like the God of Jeshurun.